Hi guys, welcome to Babish Special. I'm not normally the person who takes videos, but today I felt special because I think I'm the only passenger on the Emirates flight to Dubai from Bombay. Thank you for escorting me to the flight. Hi, how are you? Good morning. Thank you. Thank you all. Oh, really? Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Usually I do a big PA announcing the flight details, but since it's the only one here on board, I'm gonna give it to you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm honored to.
Oh, it will be great.
I'm so happy and
I
excited.
might give you a tour of the entire plane.
It's 57. Wow.
Just for you, huh?
Last time I did a charter was a good year.
Yeah.
I flew down last year in lockdown.
Okay.
But this is more exciting than
Of course. Yeah.
Captain,
Nice.
can I shake hands?
Yeah, of course.
No, with the COVID and everything.
No worries. We have some hand sanitizer, so yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sure.